The Samsung Galaxy S25 series has just landed, and while anticipation was high, early users are already running into an unexpected issue: overheating. A flagship smartphone packing cutting edge technology is expected to generate some heat, but reports suggest that the situation is more serious than usual. Social media platforms and online forums are filling up with complaints, with many users concerned that their device might be running too hot even during light usage. One of the major highlights of the Galaxy S25 series is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which boasts a 40% increase in performance compared to its predecessor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Such a significant jump in power often comes with added heat, and Samsung tried to mitigate this by incorporating a vapor chamber that is 40% larger than before. Despite these efforts, it seems like the improvements were not enough, as many users are reporting that their devices still become uncomfortably warm, particularly the standard Galaxy S25. The Ultra model appears to handle heat slightly better, but it is not entirely free from the problem either. Users have shared their experiences, noting that their phones heat up even while performing basic tasks such as browsing the web, watching videos, or sending messages. The issue becomes even more noticeable while charging, with some individuals claiming that the heat can be felt through their phone cases. Others have described the warmth as excessive, making it difficult to hold the device for extended periods. A few have even gone as far as saying that they are considering returning their phones if the problem is not resolved soon. A quick look at online discussions reveals just how widespread this issue might be. One user mentioned that their device became unusually hot within minutes of normal use, while another stated that their phone felt too warm even when idle. Some pointed out that their previous Galaxy S24 models had similar problems, leading them to upgrade, only to face the same frustration. Others expressed concerns about whether this could impact long-term performance or battery health. Interestingly, not everyone is facing the issue. Some users claim that their devices are working as expected, with only minor heating that is typical for a brand new phone. It is well known that new devices can run hotter in the first few days as background processes, optimized settings, and data transfers occur. However, since many of these complaints are coming from users who have had their phones for several days, the situation appears to be more than just the usual setup phase warming. This has led to speculation about whether the problem is due to software optimizations, variations in hardware batches, or specific usage patterns triggering excessive heat. Early reviews of the Galaxy S25 series did not indicate any significant heating concerns, making these complaints somewhat unexpected. If the issue is software related, Samsung could potentially address it through an update in the near future. However, if it turns out to be a hardware limitation, users may have to rely on manual adjustments such as tweaking settings to reduce performance demands, avoiding fast charging, or using external cooling solutions. For now, many are waiting to see whether Samsung acknowledges the problem and offers a fix. Until then, those experiencing overheating are left with a difficult decision: keep the device and hope for an update, or return it while they still have the option. If you found this update helpful, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. Your support helps us bring you the latest tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.